Welcome to another episode of the Talking Money with Nozi podcast, the podcast that brings you practical tips to make your money work harder for you. I'm your host Nozi, and today we're diving into an exciting and very practical topic: how to pay off your house faster. Owning your home outright is a dream for many South Africans, but the traditional 20 to 30-year mortgage can make it seem very heavy and far away. Fear not, because there are smart strategies that you can use to speed up the process. Let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about interest rates. Did you know that you can actually ask your bank for a re-rate on your home loan if you have had it for at least 2 years? A re-rate is essentially a renegotiation of your interest rate. It's especially relevant if interest rates have dropped since you took out your bond, or if you have a strong credit score. By getting a lower interest rate, you'll reduce the amount of interest you pay over the life of the loan. Just make sure to check if there are any fees associated with re-rating and weigh them against the savings that you'll get from a lower rate. Next, let's explore the impact of paying extra on your bond. This is one of the most powerful ways to reduce the lifespan of your home loan. Every little bit extra you pay goes directly towards reducing your principal balance and not just your interest only. Here's an example for you. Imagine you have a bond of 1 million rand at an interest rate of 10%. With a repayment term of 20 years, your monthly repayment would be approximately 9,650 rand. Now, if you manage to pay an additional 1,000 rand per month, which is about 10% extra, you can shave off around 4 years from your home loan. That's right, 4 whole years. This means you could be mortgage-free in just 16 years instead of 20. This saves you a significant amount in interest over time. But what if you can't commit to an extra payment every month? No problem. Another effective strategy is to make lump sum payments whenever you can. Bonuses, tax refunds, or any unexpected windfalls can be directed towards your bond. Even a single large payment can have a substantial impact. Let's make another example. Say you receive a bonus of 50,000 rand and you put that directly towards your home loan. This one-time payment could cut off several months or even a year from your term, depending on the size of your loan and the interest rate, of course. A less known tip is to round up your installments. Let's use the monthly repayment of 9,650 rand. Rounding it up to 10,000 rand means an extra 350 rand goes towards your principal and interest each month. It might not seem like a lot, but over the years, this can have a meaningful impact on reducing your mortgage term. Lastly, consider the idea of using a home loan access bond. An access bond allows you to deposit extra money into your bond account, and you can access these funds if needed. It's a great way to reduce your bond interest while still keeping your money accessible for emergencies. Just be disciplined to not withdraw those funds unnecessarily. And there you have it, guys. By being proactive and smart with your home loan, you can save hundreds and thousands of rands and become a homeowner faster than you ever imagined. Remember, every little bit extra you put towards your bond counts. If you have any questions about paying off your home loan faster or any other financial topics, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to hear from you. Send your WhatsApp voice note to 072 586 2827. Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep saving, keep investing, and keep moving towards financial freedom. Please note that the information, opinions, and recommendations presented in this podcast are for general information purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. I encourage you to seek professional advice and do your own research before making any financial decisions.